Hello, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Morning Garden. I'm back from the store. You can see right there, sitting in my yard, I have 10 bags of black cow, and I'm gonna get more. And I got my apple trees here, right across from my boat. They're doing good. And you can see my blackberries. I'm adding more to it. You're sorry to all these weeds around. You can't really tell, but they look like this. And I put in. This one was just added. It was growing with another, um, you know, another plant. So this one here is about 4.5 feet long. And so what I did is I pulled it from the ground. It was starting its own little deal there. And we got this one here growing. And that's another one. So we got all these blackberries here. And I only paid $2.79 for it almost 6 years ago. So what I'm doing now is adding. Now here's another one that was just added last week. You can see they're healthy, and I just put them in the ground, and it rained last night, so they're doing good. My rain barrel system's emptied out. That's good, so it doesn't bust when it get cold. And that's my cherry tree. Got to get rid of all that small growth and just that weirdness out of it. And I'm looking good. This is an apple tree. Here's some heading cuts. Got some spurs. Got a couple spurs. The tree's about 2 years old, I guess. 2 years it's been in the ground. And it's got spurs all on this one here. Looking good. And there's my, and I'm going to add more to it. I think I'm going to get about 5 more bags, make it even 15, 16, 17, 18. I got a couple more from last year. Yeah, I got the cherry trees. So in this long line right here, you see, folks, I'm going to add probably 5 more blackberry plants. And I wish I didn't put the bags there, because that's where I was going to put my other 5 between the bags and here, but I could always move the bags. So they're looking good. They are against the wall, and I love it. So apple trees and apple tree and a third apple tree. Got labels on those two, so I got to rule that one out what it is. This one here, let me just go look at it for you. And I got my little thing out here. Okay, let's see what we got here. That's the Granny Smith. And this one here is the Honey Crisp. So Granny Smith Honey Crisp. This one must be, oh come on now, what is it? Because I remember what I got. Honey Crisp apple. That's a Granny Smith. And this one here is the, I can't remember what it is. God, I can't remember. Because I only have 3 different type of apple trees. Okay, let's see. Honey Crisp Dwarf. Granny Smith. And that one would be, can't remember. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Morning Gardener.